Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Brian's aunt has cats. When Brian recently visited her, he started sneezing badly and believes that it was because he is allergic to cats. What would be the next step for Brian to form a hypothesis? Option 1. By avoiding going to his aunt's house. Option 2. By wearing a nose mask near cats. Option 3. By visiting other households with cats. Option 4. By visiting his aunt's house again with the cats outside. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.